Here we go with another unbox video. This one is something I've been waiting for a little while. It's a front splitter by DevSport for the 915 Civic Si. It's supposed to, provide some hardcore looks, but also improve some downforce. I'm not sure by how much, but I guess we'll test it out on the track. We'll find out. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start cracking this puppy open. Speaking of cracking, this is boxed very well. There are signs everywhere that say "Do not crush," and yet for some reason the box is still, I don't know, bad. So this will be for me and you. Let's see if this is actually in decent shape. Spider pig, spider pig. This might be the younger side, I'm not sure. Let's see. I bought this from IndustriesFinest.com. I'll put a link in the description. They're very good. They let me know right away, number one, it's going to take a while. These are either made to order or oh, you know what? COVID happened, right? COVID. So DevSport, they had to slow down production of these things because of COVID, like everything else. So I'll go ahead and I'll unmount the camera so we're not just looking at a giant cardboard box. Let's see if it goes up even further. Nope. So the box will be, camera's coming up. There we go. So as I opened it, this is exactly what I found. It looks good at first sight. There's a bit of a bend to it. I'm not sure if that's too much of an issue or not, or if it'll flatten out during the install. It came with these beams here, the rods to tie down to the actual bumper. I kind of wanted black ones, but they said they don't have black ones anyways. So these are the winglets, and pretty soon, hopefully, we'll be installing this thing. I kind of need to have it installed by the end of the month, or at least mid-July. So I'll go ahead. I'm going to start opening it up some more. I want to see if it's actually in good shape, if FedEx didn't actually screw it up too bad. So let's do it. Blower out here. Don't need to use this here. Alright, so here we go. These are taped down to the bubble wrap. Knife. So there we go. Put those on the side. This takes the box. Put these on the side. There we go. Got what? These stickers? Let's see. No. 10% off my next purchase. Maybe I should save that. And sticker. The actual front splitter. started modifying my Civic recently is because if you haven't watched any of my other videos, I plan on going to a racetrack, and in preparation for that, I want to try to, make the car a little bit safer, but also a little bit quicker around corners. So the car has gotten some suspension upgrades. There's probably another unboxing video coming out pretty soon after this one. But so far the biggest improvement that I've had are not just my coilovers, but the springs I added to it. I really should complain to FedEx about this. They really shouldn't have bent. I guess I'll email IndustriesFinest and see if this is how it is. But it's annoying. The box clearly said do not crush, and they clearly haven't paid attention. There you have it. There's a film on it. I guess I'll be able to take that off. But it is bent. You can see the bend there. And the question is, will it straighten out without breaking? That's annoying. That's really annoying. But as far as the quality, it looks good. It's lightweight. I guess I'll have to drill some holes and make it fit with my car. The best bet for this is probably to take the film off for the bend and then heat it with a heat gun, and probably it'll straighten out. But there it goes. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. If you want to see any more of these, come back, subscribe, hit the like button. I know things are pretty slow as far as putting this stuff in action, but I do plan on putting some racing videos together, maybe visit an autocross club nearby, and really just have some fun with this. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Take it easy.